Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to do very basic friendship bracelet. I love to make friendship bracelets because they're super cute on your arm and they're great for gifts for your friends or pretty much anyone. I like how they look on my wrist and they're really fun to make. So I'm going to start by using 3 different colors. You can use more colors if you want, but I decided just to do 3. The more colors that you pick, the thicker your bracelet will be. Next, I'm going to take about a wingspan of yarn of each of the colors and line them up all together. And then once I have all the colors into 3, I'm going to fold it in half and tie a knot on top. Friendship bracelets is easier when you have something holding the top of the knot. So I like to use this little clipboard and hold it down like that. Another way that I've done it is using tape or a clothespin pinned to your pants. But I think this is the simplest way to do it. So I'm going to start spreading out all the colors. It doesn't matter what order it is at all. I'm just going to spread them out equally. So the tying method I'm using is called the 4 method. I'm going to take 2 of the colors and make a 4 with my fingers. As you can see, the purple string is my top strand. I'm going to carry that around the whole way. So I'm going to do the 4 across the yellow strand, do 2 knots, and put the yellow one aside. I'm going to pick up the next one with that purple still in my hand and continue making 4s along all of the strings. Make sure you do 2 knots, and then once you finish with a string, you toss that to the side. So once again, make a 4, knot it, and keep on going. Done with that purple string, I'm going to take the next one up, which is a yellow string, and I'm going to do the same exact thing and go left to right and make the double knot on each string as I'm going through. So make the 4, 2 knots, and then put it aside. And I'm going to keep doing this until I have a bracelet pretty much. is after like 30 minutes of braiding or knotting. Your bracelet should begin to look like that, and if you keep on going, you can make a full-length bracelet. And then once you get to the end, you just knot the two ends together and you're done.